Creek. But it is time now for the market update. The real estate market update brought to you by Willamette Community Bank. When it comes to residential home loans, no one does it better than your locally owned Bauer 5-Star Bank, Willamette Community Bank. Lots of good numbers for you today. Lots of improvement in the market overall, and we'll begin our update today in Corvallis, where inventory is up slightly today at 239 active listings. Median asking price of $279,999. 90 homes have sold in the last 90 days. That's up from the last update. There is currently 7.97 months of inventory available in Corvallis. The median sold price over the past 90 days is down slightly, now at $242,500, averaging $158.19 per square foot. On average, homes in Corvallis are spending 122 days on the market from listing to close of sale. In Lebanon, 145 homes are available for sale. That's down from the last update. The median asking price is flat today at $148,000. In the past 90 days, Lebanon has had 60 homes sold. That is up significantly from our last report, but the median sold price is down just fractionally, now at $142,500. We're also seeing an uptick in the dollar per square foot value. It's $2 up from last week, now at $104.02. Homes are spending an average of 177 days on the market in Lebanon, and there is currently 7.25 months of inventory available. Finally, in Albany, where inventory is up 12, now at 402 active residential listings. The average asking price in Albany is flat, however, at $207,109. With 112 homes sold in the past 90 days, and ladies and gentlemen, that is way up. That's 16 additional sales from our last update. The median sale price is also up slightly today at $185,000. Homes in Albany are spending an average of 137 days on the market from listing to close of sale. The average dollar per square foot value in Albany is also up today at $115.46, and there is 10.77 months of inventory available today. All in all, these numbers are really improving, and even with the big increase in inventory, we're seeing kind of a reduction in the overall absorption rate. Looking ahead, and again, we are now past the holiday period. We are into mid-January now with regard to our statistical analysis. And in Albany, there are still more homes pending and contingent than have sold over the past 90 days. Currently, 58 homes contingent, 66 homes total pending sales, for a total of 124 homes with contracts on them. This bodes very well for the numbers in the weeks to come. In Lebanon, there are 46 homes with offers, 21 contingent and 25 pending, and 52 in Corvallis. That's 31 contingent and 21 pending. So keep an eye on the trend numbers. Go to the website, www.kgal.com, click on the link for Real Estate Talk. You can find the market numbers back there for the last 3 months. And that's the market update for this 10th day of April. Thanks to Willamette Community Bank.